Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a powerful way to create, deploy and scale your Web3 applications. I will share all that, how you can start building, how you can explore the portal. I will share all the details there. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon too. Also, you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review the Builders platform for consumer crypto. The most powerful way to create, deploy and scale your Web3 application. You can start building here and explore portal. I will share with you how you can do that. You can see here is the gaming details about that is given proudly backed by founders fund 1kx average igloo and all other. You can see these spotlight apps are given where you can discover the finance trading and app gaming app. You can go for the wolf game, you can go for the penguin cash, proof of play arcades, laser party, spellbone and kona. You can see all that from here. And you can meet your portal for user. It's a gateway to the web3 discovering apps and communities and new earning opportunities for builders. It's instant access to the millions of exploring what's next. So it is all that you can even explore that portal. Furthermore, I will open that and share with you. You can even go and enter that portal, or you can add to the wallet here. You have to connect that. You can see the abstract wallet is given. You can see even though you can discover, trade, stream, rewards, all the options are given engineered. You can see here for builders or discovers. For DevDoc is given. You can see that. You can see the consumer first, which enables initiative onboarding gasless and transaction. You can see where the gas is solo and also the familiar interfaces that feels native to your users. They have also EVM compatible. You can see they use familiar tools for the Ethereum ecosystem to build your application on abstract. You can see you can build without boundaries. The trading platform that never sleep, games that rewarded every play, social network that redefine connection, AI agent that create value. What will you build? You can even though go and start building here. So furthermore, they have the trading in the markets, lightning fast decks, innovation, trading tools, seamless marketplace experience. They have also the gaming and entertainment, immersive words, play to earn games, interactive entertainment platform. They have also the Monitor Fun AI, like you can use the AI and the creator tool, which is intelligent agent that works for you, AI powered platform that created. They have also the social and community, like next generation social network creator platforms and a community on spaces. They have also the articles that what is abstract, what is blockchain, what is consumer crypto. You can even go and read that articles from here. They have also the dawn of the consumer crypto here, like you can see. They have the dev docs where they have shared the white paper, explorer, build incubator. I will open that with you. You can even go for the sport and you can even go for the explorer. You can go for it. I will share with you about the white paper first of all, which is given here. You can see the introduction, what is abstract, a high level overview of what abstract is and how abstract is layer 2 network built on Ethereum, design a securely powered consumer facing applications at scales with the low fees and the fast transaction speed. They built on top the ZK stack. Abstract is zero knowledge, a roll up built to be more scalable alternative to Ethereum. It achieves this scalability by executing transaction off. You can see you can even connect it with the abstract, name the abstract, and you can see their tests are given. You can go for the smart contract foundry application and all the other stuff which is given here. Furthermore, you can go and join them. You can even go and sign up with your Google account, or you can go for the email one. Now I will share with you about their Twitter. You can even go and join them on their social media accounts, like on Twitter. They have 1247 following here, and also you can see followers which are 623.7k, which is a large amount. You can also be a part of their community. Their everyday builders are calling it squad, but what if they did not have to? Help is available. Reach out. You can go and reach out here and you can get into it. So you can see there other videos from here where you can get your motivation, or you can go for further details. You can even go and log in it here. So first of all, you have to create your account, and then you can log in on here and build in residence program where you can apply. Here the all details about that is given with the monthly stipend and marketing developer support. You can read that details if you want it here, your residence program, and you can see You can even go for the abstract where you can see there are transactions are given, which is it is on Ethereum market cap. All that is given. It is you can see here given on A B scan. So it is all about that. So this video is all that. So if you like the video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.